Welcome to Team Cleaning. This is the reward you get for basic training and coaching. Once your kids have mastered action charts and have a daily routine established, they are ready to learn how to team clean. You may not have realized that when you were teaching your child the 3-period lesson, you were actually working as a team. Pick up all clutter. If necessary, put it in a box and sort it later. Second, clean a room from top to bottom. Clean the ceiling fans, high cobwebs, and blinds before dusting and vacuuming. Next, move clockwise around a room. If you work your way around the room from top to bottom, you can be certain that you did not miss anything. I highly recommend wearing an apron and keeping your gear in it. We'll talk more about that later, but could you imagine a roofer coming to your house without a tool belt? Next, use microfiber. It makes a big difference in speed cleaning. We'll talk more about that later too. Finally, store and carry all your supplies in a caddy. Keep it stocked and make sure everything is in it before you start to clean. This will help prevent unnecessary trips to find what you need when you come to a problem area. For a list of what I keep stocked in my caddy, see my website. If you apply these quick speed cleaning tips, your family will set a record for team cleaning an entire house.